Hey there! Have you ever run into the problem of using tail F in PuTTY to monitor a file, only to have it constantly scroll to the bottom whenever new content appears? It can be quite frustrating, right? Imagine trying to keep up with the text, but constantly losing your place due to this pesky scrolling issue. Now, let's talk about the solution to this annoying scrolling problem. In PuTTY configuration, head over to the window page and look for the option that says Reset Scrollback on Display Activity. Simply uncheck this box and voila, your scrolling headaches will be a thing of the past. This simple tweak will allow you to comfortably monitor your file without the constant disruption caused by automatic scrolling. In summary, by adjusting the Reset Scrollback on Display Activity setting in PuTTY, you can finally put an end to the frustrating scrolling behavior that has been plaguing your monitoring experience. Say goodbye to constantly losing your place in the text stream, and hello to smooth, uninterrupted file monitoring. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy monitoring.